Today we're checking out Stackby, a no-code platform that combines spreadsheets, databases, and automations, so anyone can build custom applications. Managing spreadsheets, CRMs, and disconnected tools can be overwhelming. Lucky for you, Stackby helps you customize and automate workflows all in one place. Start by setting up your workspace, where you'll create your stacks. Think of these as databases or workflows. Choose from over 1,000 ready-made templates, or import your data from spreadsheets like Excel or Google Sheets to get started fast. Then invite your team and set permissions so everyone has the right level of access. Each stack is like a supercharged spreadsheet, but way more flexible. Add different types of columns like text, numbers, dates, drop-downs, attachments, and even checklists. Need more advanced features? Link records together, look up related data, or create custom formulas to automate calculations. No more scrolling through endless rows. Choose how to visualize your data. Use a grid to group details, a Kanban board to track projects, a calendar for scheduling, or a gallery for images. You can even create forms that update your database automatically. For quick access, save filtered views and share them with your team or clients. You can even restore deleted data, find duplicate entries, and control who can edit columns, tables, and views. Need more space? Upgrading your plan gives you access to 25 stacks, 10,000 rows per stack, and 10 gigabytes of file storage, so you never run out of room. Tired of doing the same tasks over and over? Set up custom Zapier-style automations to handle things for you. Automatically send emails, update records when a form is submitted, or even trigger WhatsApp messages. No coding needed. Make better decisions with real-time insights. Stackify lets you build custom dashboards by adding widgets like charts, summary boxes, and pivot tables. Track goals, monitor trends, or even generate invoices, quotes, or one-pagers with just a few clicks. Keep everything up to date with manual work. Stackify pulls live data from apps like YouTube, Meta Ads, and Google Analytics, automatically updating your tables so you always have the latest insights. Ready to turn spreadsheets into powerful automated apps? Click buy now to get Stackify today.